Found my fellow friend here, Santa, Mr. Santa. And he's moving his hand. Check this out. He's got lots of presents here. Yeah, there you go. I was not expecting this in China, so I'm super excited to go around and check this out because this is really interesting. Okay guys, so this Christmas market absolutely blows my mind. There's everything you want to get and it's half price because we're with Christmas just around the corner and they have to sell out these things, so you can get it for very cheap price. Check this out. So nice. Everything is here. He just stopped. Come on, guy. Oh, there you go. Yeah. I can't believe it. I find shops like this in China. Look, this is so beautiful. Really beautiful. Any kind of Christmas tree you can only imagine. There's so many people shopping here. Guys, because I miss Christmas so much, so local friend gave me some tip to come here to this street, and actually I'm so super surprised because there are so many Christmas decorations you can see on my bag and I can't stop looking at them because I so much miss Christmas. I haven't been to Europe for 4 years, so this gives me a little bit of a taste how the Christmas is in Europe right now. So let's check this out. Let's go for a walk and let's see what Chinese people offer for Christmas, what kind of Christmas decorations they have. Woo. Wow, so nice. I'm really impressed. There you go, I'm entering to a really cool Christmassy shop. Wow, very nice. Oh, look at these ones. This is so cute. Wow, these are real snowmen. I've got some more here and here. Wow. Oh, these are so nice. How much is it? 多少钱这个？这个45。Ah, 45. So nice. There you go. And Chinese decorations here. Oh, this is freaking me out. Look. Wow. What about outside? Yeah, there you go. Super nice. And these are the hangbao in China. The red pockets will give money inside. There you go. So nice. Okay guys, I found this really awesome shop. They have any kind of Christmas decorations you can only imagine and they're very cheap. So let's check this out. Wow, and I really didn't expect this in China. Wow, I just bought brick like this. I'm actually wondering how much is in this shop. I thought I pay 38, I think. Wow, so beautiful. Everything. They have everything. They have even... Oh, these are so beautiful. Nice. Wow. Anything you can imagine is here. Anyhow. Wow, look at this one. So nice. The bear. Wow. Okay guys, so this is the Cathedral Square metro stop and this is the market where you can find everything you need just before Christmas. And guess what, the prices are so cheap because Christmas is just around the corner and they want to sell out all the stuff, so you can get here anything with very good price, you see. And I absolutely didn't expect this in China. I didn't know that they were celebrating Christmas the same way we do, so check this out because it's so beautiful. Remember, Cathedral Square here in Guangzhou, line 6. This is a really cool shop. They've got anything here. I would never expect this in China, seriously. And the Christmas trees are so beautiful. I had Christmas tree before, just like this one there. That one. Yeah, but I gave it to my friend because I didn't have space for it in my tiny apartment. And there you go, some decorations. This is really awesome. Wow, and you know they are very cheap. They're around 30-40 RMB. Wow, beautiful. Everything is here. Check this rigs. Oh, the British guards even. guys, this is amazing. This is amazing, amazing. I can't believe it. Chinese people like to buy this kind of things. And I haven't seen any foreigner here, just me. Wow, you can see anything here, guys. Wow, look at this one. Oh, this guys. And there's a shop full of lights like this. Wow, this is really nice. You see the one? Full of lanterns. Nice. And there you go. Such a beautiful decoration. That one. It's a countdown for Christmas. Nice. Hair bands here. Wow, that one's pretty cool. 多少钱?
10.
Oh, 10 kwai. Nice. Oh my god, that one. Right now all the Christmassy things are discounted because Christmas is just around the corner and they weren't able to sell everything, so you can just get things like this for 10 kwai, which is really nice. Okay, so I got myself really beautiful cute reindeer hairband. And this shop is really amazing. This street is full of shops related to Christmas and Chinese New Year. And now, right now, I'm passing by Chinese New Year shop. There you go. So nice. Yeah, beautiful. Just next door here, you have a shop with Chinese decorations for the Chinese New Year. But this year it happens in February, so we still have time to get our decorations. But it's still very cool to go. Look at this. Very cool to walk around. 你好. Wow. Hello. So nice. That's so nice. So when you live in China, you can see everything here. From the Chinese decorations for the New Year to Christmas decoration all in one place. 你好，多少钱? 多少钱?
10 pieces.
Oh, 一个.
10.
Oh, 10. Oh, 58, 10. Wow. Okay, 谢谢. Need to buy a bunch of them. There you go. Wow. Oh, 你好. 漂亮. Wow. Can I step? This is so nice. Wow, this is a light shop. Amazing. Wow. This is crazy. Wow. This is a light shop here. Chinese New Year. Wow, so nice. 你好.
你好.
Oh, these are the 汉堡. 这个是汉堡?
对.
Oh, these are the cards for Chinese New Year. So 漂亮. Nice. Guys, so I found paradise for all the lovers of light and red color. This is the market for Chinese New Year decoration. And check this out because this blows my mind completely. This is so beautiful. Wow. I'm just walking through all these decorations and I can't wait for the Chinese New Year because they're so amazing. Wow. Beautiful. So nice. And this shop, it's all about the red pockets. It's called Hangbao. Imagine how much money is gonna be put inside of it. This is for money. We put money inside of these pockets here in China. It's for good luck. There you go. Wow. Guys, here basically you can find all types of lanterns in preparation for the Chinese New Year. And this is the same here. This is a kind of a place where you can get everything for the local festival. There you go. Guys, this is something really interesting. I just came across in Guangzhou for the first time. Apparently there is a cathedral. I have no idea what kind of religion is it, but there's so many people here. So many people. And there's a massive Christmas tree here. Wow. Okay guys, I just found out that this is the mass for foreigners and Chinese people are not allowed. So they're just gathering here to take photos. There you go. They're not allowed to entrance because there is a mass, religious mass for foreign people. Yeah. My Christmas shopping is completed. I'm absolutely satisfied and I'm super surprised. I found Cathedral here in Guangzhou I never heard of and a very beautiful Christmas tree. This is Pola Exploradora. Welcome to China. Welcome to my adventures and see you next video. Yeah. Have a nice day. Bye. Woo. Alright guys, I found the best of the best places to see the Cathedral of Guangzhou. There you go. This is the third floor of the coffee shop just next to this cathedral. So come on, when you come to Guangzhou, definitely you have to visit this cathedral and then come here to the third floor of this shop and see it from the top. And no one knows about it because there's no one, just me. All right, this is Paula Exploradora and there's a Christmas tree. Welcome to China. Have a nice day and remember to subscribe. Bye! Okay guys, so if you want to try something really typical from here, from Canton region, this is the place. Check this out. Here. This is typical Cantonese team snack for breakfast here. 27. He's going to roll it like a pancake and you can put some spices. This one is with shrimps, you can see. 多少钱? Oh, you see, it's really delicious. So, and
Very good.
very good, I know.
Very good.
This is a typical Cantonese thing here.
Chinese.
Canton, 这个是 Cantonese 菜。
Yeah, it's very nice. You can choose.
多少钱？这里。
This one's from shrimp.
It's
Yeah.
toasty.
Remember, this is Paula Exploradora. Welcome to China. Welcome to Christmas market here in Guangzhou. Yeah. See you in next video. Bye.